We are so used to household products that are a quintessential part of our monthly shopping list that we forget they may actually be deadly. Many day-to-day housekeeping products are poisonous and in particular dangerous for children. ShowFit lists out some daily products that you should always keep out of your children's reach. In fiction and cinema, many murderers have chosen eye drops to dispatch their victims. This seemingly innocuous medicine can be fatal if ingested. So, don't leave your eye drops on top of your low bedside table within the grasp of children. Lock it away with all other medicines where your child cannot access it. Cough syrup is one of the most pleasant medications to soothe an itchy throat. This easily accessible and flavored liquid medication is extremely tempting to little ones and seems harmless. But thousands of young children every year overdose on cough syrup, which could even prove fatal. As per reports, children are often able to easily access cough syrup and end up swallowing too much. The side effects of taking too much cough syrup include excessive sweating, vomiting, irregular heartbeat, stomach pain, and facial redness. From disinfectants to detergents, all cleaning products could be harmful to children if ingested accidentally. In 2017, the Tide Pod Challenge went viral, in which teenagers and adults challenged each other to eat detergent pods. This dangerous internet challenge caused 6 deaths. Between 2012 and 2013, US Poison Control Centers reported over 7,000 cases of young children eating laundry pods because they look like candy. So keep all cleaning products such as disinfectants, tile cleaners, and toilet cleaners out of your children's reach. Anything that is small enough for your toddler to place in his or her mouth is dangerous. Be especially careful of the 20 mm lithium coin cell. If a child swallows a button battery, it could lodge in his or her esophagus and cause burns within 2 hours. Swallowing batteries could be fatal for children. Toys with detachable small parts could be choking hazards. Remember how Chandler got a toy part stuck in his throat in season 6 of Friends? If it could happen to him, it could happen to your toddler. Spray bottles may appear like fun toys to toddlers. Spray bottles have a button that releases liquid accompanied by a characteristic sound. Children can accidentally expose their eyes, nose, or mouth to the liquid inside spray bottles. Be it deodorant, mosquito repellent, or disinfectant, ensure that spray bottles are never left within the grasp of your toddler. A safe home means potentially harmful products are nowhere within your child's grasp. Tune into ShowFit for more on health, wellness, and fitness.